Hi Jody, what are you doing today? Would you like to come shopping with me? I am going into town to buy a CD.
Yes, I would love to come, Christy Lee. What time are you thinking of going?
In about an hour. I have to do my makeup first. You know how long it takes me to look beautiful. We might meet some boys in town.
That's fine, Christy Lee. I have just put my makeup on. It only took me half an hour. How do you like my Michael Jackson moonwalk? I think it is good.
That smells lovely. Jody, you will have all the boys after you. I will stand no chance with the boys today, as soon as they get a whiff of that new perfume of yours.
Christy Lee, you know I am too young to go out with boys. I cannot wait to be as old as you, Christy Lee, then I can get a boyfriend.
You will soon be as old as me, Jody, then we can go out in the evening together as long as we are home by 10, or our mum Claire will go bonkers.
I have not seen Lily today, perhaps she might like to come too. That would be great, we could all go to McDonald's. I will see if I can find Lily to see if she would like to come with us. We could get something to eat in town, perhaps in McDonald's.
Lily, is that you in the hall? Have you seen Jody? She was looking for you.
Yes, I have just seen Jody. She told me that you are going into Wrexham to go shopping. Jody said we are going to McDonald's. I will have to ask Claire if I can have some money, but you know how tight she is.
Just tell Claire that Christy Lee said she must give you some money. Gary has lots of money. If Claire has not got any money, go and ask Gary. Trying to get money of Gary is like trying to get money out of a stone. He is so tight his friends down the pub have to sit on him to squeeze the money out. He is that tight.
I know he tells me that he gives all the money to Claire, and trying to get money out of Claire is like trying to get rocking horse milk.
Well, I will have to get ready. I think I can hear Jody coming back.
Hi Lily, are you going to come with us?
It all depends on Claire if she will let me come with you, Jody. Will you ask Claire for me, please? She will listen to you if you say you will look after me.
Okay, I will ask Claire. I will promise her I will look after you, Lily.
Thank you, Jody. I am going to see if I can find Gary and try to get some money of him.
I shall go and find Claire.
I cannot find Gary anywhere, Jody. He must be in the same place where he keeps his money. I will never find him if he is hiding with his money, Jody.
Never mind, Lily. If you cannot find him, I have some money I can give you. I will take a photo of you, Lily. You are growing up so fast. I am making a photo album. Then we can put them on Facebook.
Yes, that is okay, Jody. How would you like me to pose? Is this all right with my hands on my hips?
Yes, that looks very good, Lily. It will look good on my Facebook page. I hope Christy Lee is not too long or we will miss the bus. I shall go and look for her. I think I can hear her at the front room.
Do not be too long, Jody. I will wait here until you come back. I will just exercise my arms until you and Christy Lee come to get me.
Hi Jody, are we ready to go? Do I look alright now? I have put my makeup on. I have spoken to Claire and she has said it is okay to take Lily. Hold on, I have a phone call.
Alright, Christy Lee. Lily is waiting in the kitchen. I told Lily we would not be too long. I will go and see if Lily is okay while you were on the phone.
I was very thirsty, so I am having some pop, Jody.
Christy Lee is on the phone. She said she would not be long. Do you want me to take some more photos while we wait, Lily? Where did I put my camera, Lily? Did I leave it here or in the front room? Stay just like that, Lily. That is a good photo to go in my scrapbook.
Okay, you do take good photos, Jody. Here, I will try another pose. What about this one, Jody? I feel like a film star posing for all these photos.
My boyfriend has just told me he loves me. I am so happy. It is the best day of my life. Are you two ready to go to Wrexham? The bus will be here in 5 minutes, Jody. Come on then, let's go catch the bus.
Come on, Lily, at last we are going to Wrexham. Goodbye, Mum, see you later.
Come here, Christy Lee and Jody. Wait for me. Bye-bye, Mummy.
My name is Dave Barrett. This is what I looked like when I was younger. There is no hair and no teeth. I made this video for my grandchildren. Christy Lee, Jody and Lily love you.